time I've ever had to use this. So.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm not sure how this works, but
I'm gonna get your spare out real fast.
We take care of it all, don't worry.
Yeah. Yeah, I got you.
I have a feeling it's gonna, and I just said, I probably, because these are, most of them, I don't know if that's one. There was one tire that changed one time, but
yeah.
So I was like, oh crap, when I get the oil change, they're gonna say I need new tires. They need the original tires. I mean, they don't even have 50,000 miles on them yet, but.
Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Yes, ma'am, you're good. You're good.
I wouldn't be, I trust you because I don't know anything.
Yeah. I got you. No worries. Got a center cap here. My multi-tool, I won't leave home without it, let me tell you.
My grandson got me something that's very similar to that too. But
yeah.
What happens if these don't come off?
Oh, I'm gonna get them off. Don't worry about that.
Well, I'll get it, don't you worry.
I'm gonna get it.
Little tool shop.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Tools make the job go easier. You know? That's right. I need some leverage. I ain't 225 pounds for nothing. Well, you know, most people absolutely hate to get a flat tire, and it's no fun in getting a flat tire. However, you're in a safe place, you know?
Like I said, it could have been on the freeway.
Could have been on the freeway.
I think I hit something, but I don't know that for a fact. But it could have been on the freeway going 70 miles an hour and lose control of the car. And
there you go. Yeah, I've done.
I've got more time than money, so.
I've done a couple off the freeway. They're no fun. You know?
You or the person.
That's right.
You know, people are crazy now.
Oh, I know. I know. I know. I can't stand when people text and drive.
I know.
Drives me nuts.
It does make me nervous. There's a lot of things that the older I'm getting that I would have never thought twice about in my younger days. But
right.
I don't like going out at night. I never go out at night unless I'm with somebody.
Right, right. Yeah.
Just the world's crazy nowadays.
The freaks come out at night. That song is so true.
Well, and then I don't understand that whole. Why is that so hard for people to understand? How hard is it to be nice to people?
Right.
I mean, I don't know. I guess it's the way you're raised. I was raised to treat people the way you want to be treated.
That's right.
My mom always said, equal and nobody's better than the other person. Do you see anything?
That's right. Right there. Big slash.
Oh, that ain't gonna be no.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna be no repair.
Yeah, that's gonna be
a new tire.
That's gonna be a new tire.
And I wonder if that's one of the, if that's the one that was replaced with it.
Yeah, the tread looks pretty good.
I'm thinking it might be one of the ones that. Of course, it'll be the one I replaced once before.
Yeah, right. Right. Yeah, I would have them take a look at all of them, just to be sure. And sometimes they give you a little deal if you buy 4, you know. Sometimes.
I'll have to call and see if I can get in. I'll just call and see if I can get oil change and say, hey, I've got a flat tire.
Yeah.
I got the flat tire on there. My problem is I don't have the patience to deal with stuff like this. That's
yeah.
My problem. No, I wouldn't even attempt this anyway. I don't know.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm here for.
Thank God. But anyway, well, you're very nice. Like I say, it's just too bad everybody in the world can't be nice.
Yeah.
I just don't understand. Like I say, my mom, dad, like, kind to one another the way you would expect to be treated.
That's right. That's right. I treat every service as it's my mother or my father, you know?
Exactly. Well, see, but your parents raised you, right?
Yeah.
I was a nurse in a hospital for a long time, and I didn't feel like my job was any more important than the janitor or the physician or anybody else. My thoughts are we were all equal, and
That's right.
in God's eyes, we're all equal anyway.
That's right.
There are just some people that are just flipping weird out there.
Yes, ma'am. You're right about that.
I do worry about those so-called really younger, like grandchildren that are like just still like 10 and 11 years old. Like, what's the world going to be like for them?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I think about that a lot too. It's kind of scary.
But I still just don't think it was as bad as it is now. It's just awful.
Yeah, it's gotten a lot worse.
People are just so mean.
Yeah.
And that's
Yeah.
just wrong.
Yes, ma'am. I agree. I agree.
But hey, if I were king of the mountain, who would want to ever be king of the mountain?
Heavy is the head that wears the crown.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. Look at that. Didn't get in nobody's way.
Getting off. I'll just put that back with my tire again.
Yes, ma'am. I got you. I'll put it back there for you.
Very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so do I have to sign anything?
Yes, ma'am. I get a signature from you. Alrighty. That's it.